Hey everyone, today we're going to tell you what we're really looking forward to on our first celebrity cruise, right after this. Hey everybody, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Next week we're going to be going on our first ever celebrity cruise. I've been on 50, this is going to be my 52nd cruise. I've yet to get on celebrity. I've had a couple booked and had to switch them up either for the pandemic or just plans changed. I was supposed to go on Edge last year and this year to Europe, but it didn't work out. So I am going on Celebrity Summit, May 25th to June 4th. So that's next week. We're going to be heading on Summit. I'm going to Bermuda for an overnight from Cape Liberty, New Jersey, which is Bayonne, then Charleston for an overnight. Then we're going up to Newport, Rhode Island and Martha's Vineyard. I'm super excited. I'm trying to keep my expectations very low as per normal. When we went on Enchantment of the Seas, we had just gotten off Symphony of the Seas, which was spectacular. And then we went on Enchantment, and I tried to keep my expectations very low because everybody had said, oh, Enchantment's terrible. It's this big bucket of rust. It's like ready for pasture. So I kept my expectations very low. When we went on that ship, we had a great time. It was just a ton of fun. We had great meals. There was fun things to do. The cruise director staff was amazing, which is really important on an older, smaller ship. So there's not as many bells and whistles. So there's no water slides. There's no aqua theater. There's no ice skating rink. There's no Broadway shows, whatever it is, right? So, but we had a great time. The entertainment was good. The food was good. Same thing, I went on MSC twice in the past few months, and everybody complains about MSC, about the food, the entertainment. We had a great time. Some things were a little weird, right? But you temper your expectations so that you're not expecting this big wow thing and then you get disappointed. So I am looking forward to this trip on Celebrity Summit. The itinerary is great. So if nothing else, we have 4 great ports, and those 4 ports cover almost 6 or 7 days. So just a couple sea days, 3 full sea days in there. It's going to be pretty exciting. So I'm doing all the things I normally do, so I'm really looking forward to the food. I've scheduled Tuscan Grill on the first night. I'm doing Le Petit Chef at Cuisine on the second night. I'm doing The Chef's Table by Daniel Boulud. I'm signed up for 2 wine tastings already. You can do a lot of stuff ahead of time. So I've already prepaid and done all these things ahead of time. So I'm excited to do all of those things. I'm going to sushi on 5 on day 4. And then I have a bunch of excursions planned and a bunch of different things on the ship. So again, I'm a little bit, lower expectations because there's not as many things to do on the ship. And I'm a person that needs a lot to do. So I don't necessarily do a lot of things, but I'm introverted. So if there's less to do, I'm going to recoil a little bit, especially going by myself too, right? So usually if it's Meg and I or AJ and I, I get out of the room more because we're working together. We're doing things. We kind of force each other to be extroverted. So when I'm alone on cruise ships, if I don't keep moving or get out of my room, I'll tend to stay in the room and watch my iPad and work, which defeats the whole purpose of going on the cruise. Now, doing the cruise vlogs definitely helps. It makes me get out of room because otherwise my vlog's going to be 2 minutes a day. So I will get out. I'll do some things. That's also why I stay in an inside cabin if I'm going by myself, because that forces me to just get up and get out of the room. Otherwise, you're just in this, you're in the hole all day in solitary confinement. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm interested to see the entertainment. I didn't really get a lot of reviews on the entertainment. I'm interested to see the spa. I'm interested, like I said, in the food, and the excursions we planned look like they're going to be great. So again, it'll just be me. You're stuck with me for 10 days of vlogs. I hope you enjoy it. Come along and join us on the journey. I'm leaving next Thursday, so over Memorial Day weekend. If anybody's going on the cruise, drop a comment below or email me at jp@bitesizecruises.com. It's BYTE. If you are going on the cruise, let me know. I'll bring some swag. We'll bring some sunglasses, some t-shirts, some hats, a bunch of different things, some lanyards. So if you are going, let me know. I'll bring you some stuff. And if you are going, please say hi and stop and talk to me on the ship. Again, I'm by myself, so let's hang out. We can grab a drink or get some wine and have a nice day. So everybody come and say hi. Let me know what you want to see on the ship if you're not going. If you've been on Celebrity Summit before, Drop a comment below. What are some things you liked or maybe didn't like on the cruise ship? Let me know so I have a little bit of a heads up where I'm going. And that's it. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Hope everybody has a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.